Hey guys, so today we have Milkins from Milka. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, so it's 100% made from alpine milk. Okay, and it has 115 kilocalories, 3 bars. Okay, 100 gram veg product. Okay, so opening instructions. That's it. Okay, yeah. I think these chocolates they melt very quickly. Okay, so we have to wrap it. All right, very nice. So yeah, the first touch itself is very delicate, silky, you can say, and with the touch itself you can say it's very premium chocolate and it's going to melt super fast. Okay, so I think I'll have to do this quickly. Okay, so you see that it has a white milky center. Okay, and it's covered by the alpine milk chocolate. Wow. Okay, so let me test this. Wow. Okay, so this melts very quickly in your mouth. Okay, and as soon as the milk chocolate melts, you have that white creamy feeling, which is absolutely amazing. Very delicious, very light,